This is, I don't know, 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday before the Dream Cruise. I thought before I get sick from my radiation treatment, I'd come out here and get a little video of the goings-ons. I parked the Bel Air there. This place is Kingswood Square Plaza, I think, up in Bloomfield Hills. Or anyway, I came through this parking lot the other day in one of my videos, so we're going to walk around and look at some cars. It's windy out, so hopefully the wind doesn't mess up the sound too bad. You can see them trying to put their tent up in the wind. Thing may end up out on Woodward Avenue. Oh, we got here a big block in this puppy. Nicely tucked in there. These Fords, I guess they call them shoeboxes. I think this is a 49. Yeah, I'd like to do up an old Ford. I was almost born in a 51 Ford, so I actually wouldn't mind doing a 51 Ford like Scott's at Cold War Motors would be. I'd tackle a project like that. I don't think that 51 Victoria he has is beyond restoration. I watch other people's videos all the time that video for the cruise, see if my Bel Air will be in any other videos. I've seen it in one other one of you, my viewers, sent it to me. So if you see my Bel Air in someone else's video, copy and paste a link to it, put it in the description, and that way I can check it out. That was out yesterday. Check it out. Just married. No, this is a different one. This is a hard top. That one out yesterday was a convertible, the red interior. So this is a different one. It says 80,000 miles on the clock. Sweet car. Mid-60s, let me see, maybe 64, 65, I'm guessing. 64 we'll call it. Another one over there in the corner. We've got quite a few Corvettes right here. I'm just going to take a walk around this lot, and then I'm actually driving, just taking a lap. It's taken me an hour to get from 696 in Woodward up to here. Has been just a little over an hour. It's not that, I don't know, this is Square Lake Road right out here. We're at the intersection of Square Lake and Woodward. '41 Chevy, maybe. I think this is just before the last of the vehicles before the war started. This thing's in nice shape. It looks pretty original. It's had some paint work done on it here and there, like touch-ups, but I think this is mostly unrestored. 41, yeah, 1941 Chevrolet. That puppy looks pretty original, or if it's a very old restoration. The dash looks original. All that, getting that wood grain done is expensive, and I've had it done in a couple cars I've framed off. In this Air 38 Ford, I had all the wood grain redone in it. 54 Ford, 48,000 on the clock. I don't think his temp gauge works. It's buried on hot. I don't know what I'm videoing. I'm not looking at the camera on the lens on the GoPro. There's something sticking up over here I have to go look at. Can't not look at something this wild over here. That is super cool. That poor little Chevy V8 is dwarfed by that supercharger. It looks like there's two of them, two blowers attached to one another, and two 4-barrels. I would think that would be too much fuel for a small block, but I'm not an engine builder, so I don't know, but that is super cool. Yeah, it'll be a fun car to drive. Like these are the 70, 71, 72 Grand Prix. Look at that metallic paint, just, that's highly metallic. It looks awesome. $92,000 on the odometer. Old Olds 442. I'll just let the camera roll as I walk, and you can see all the people and the craziness around here. I know it's going to have wind noise, sorry. It's like I say, extremely windy out. It's right on 70 degrees, sunny and windy. It's a perfect day. Tomorrow is a dream cruise. Tomorrow will probably be a little warmer. And then Sunday they're talking 90, but all this area will be deserted by then. I've always liked these dusters too. Wouldn't mind doing one of them up.
I had a rally sport, but it had the stitch, you know, the rings.
International truck. Alright, I'm going to move on, maybe hit another parking lot, maybe not. We'll see if I can get into one where there's a place to park the Bel Air. Finally made it back. It took about 3 hours to do one lap. And I'm going to put a little video from the, got that Viafo dash cam. Viafo gave me the dash cam for this car. I think it's, I don't remember what model it is, A123 maybe, but anyway, it's got the forward facing camera and it goes through. I changed the aperture because it goes through that tint. You can see the tint, so it shows up a little better. And then the rear facing camera. Anyway, I'm gonna pop the memory card out of that and maybe put a little video of that so you can see how congested Woodward was on the Friday midday before the Dream Cruise. I mean, you know, people are still at work, businesses are still open along there. I think some of them do close up because they rent their parking lots out, and they probably, for what they charge for their parking lots, it's probably covers their losses easily for the couple days that they weren't open, but maybe even more profit than they make all year. Who knows? I know some of them are really, really expensive they rent their lots out for. But anyway, I'm gonna put a little video here of the dash cam video from the Bel Air so you can see the nutsness out there, and then I'm gonna end the video after that. Another note too, when I pull a video off the dash cam, I always make sure the radio is off if I'm planning on using dash cam video because of copyright. But this motorcycle is riding along in the same direction I was, and his radio was so obnoxiously loud you could hear it for about a quarter mile behind her head. And I couldn't use a lot of the video from the dash cam because of the copyright that I would probably get from his loud music. There was a point he was stopped right next to me, and it was so loud I laid on the horn in the car to get him to turn it down or do something. You couldn't even hear the horn. His radio had just drowned out the horn in my car. It was that loud. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. That helps. If you like my channel, at 348 engine icon will help you subscribe. And thank you for watching my video.